Hey everyone, I hope you all are doing great in your life and in your studies also. So as you have seen on the thumbnail that in this video I am going to give you a big surprise, okay, and it will be very beneficial for you. So as you all know that Guidely has released this beginner kit in which it includes the basic formulas of the three subjects quant, reasoning and English. And as you can see in the templates that there are different formulas given, plus this is the timetable according to the notification. You can write that whether you have cleared any examination or not, and there you can write the exam dates. And then there is this checklist for your examinations, okay, the things which you need when you go to when you appear for the exam, then these are the things which you should have, okay. So this is the checklist, and then there are basic formulas templates which are given for all, like quants, reasoning, English, all the basic formulas are given, okay. And English formulas are also given, like tenses are there, then there are these part of speech basics. So it provides all the basics of the three subjects, and these are the things which you need to revise on daily basis, all right. So you can stick them on your wall and you can just read them once in a day, okay, and it will help you to improve your basics and boost your confidence in the pre and mains examinations both. And now I will discuss about the surprise. So the surprise is that the 15 subscribers of this channel will get this beginners kit for free. Guidely will courier the beginners kit to you, okay, on their cost. It will not cost you any single rupee. And how to purchase this, how to get this, I am giving you a link of a registration. On the link you have to register, okay, and randomly 15 students will be selected by Guidely, all right. So the link is given in description. Tap on the link and register on Guidely, okay, and then you will get their customer calls and they will ask about your address and everything, and they will courier this beginners kit to your home on their own cost. And now second thing is that the second link is given for the super plan. The super plan subscription includes this beginners kit also. If you purchase their super plan, then you will get the beginners kit itself, like it is included in the beginners in the super plan, and you will get it for free if you purchase their super plan, okay. So these are the two things. First you have to register on the link, on the first link which is given, and 15 students will be selected, and from there you will get the beginners kit if you win, all right. And second is for super plan, and for super plan use my code and you will get extra 12% discount on this subscription, all right. So that is all, and this beginners kit is really helpful for the beginners and for the already preparing candidates also. So that was all for this video. I hope you found it helpful, and that is all. Thank you.